Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you wondering what type of equipment you should even be bringing or using when it comes to photography? Well, we're going to let you in on our secret to some of our absolute favorite equipment.
And make sure to stick around until the end because we have something special just for you.
And by the end of this video, maybe you will be adding a couple new things to your wish list in hopes that you will get it in the upcoming years.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos.
All right, we're gonna start right with the boring stuff. We're gonna start with the external hard drive that we use, but this is a question that we get all of the time. And so we're going to go through two that we have found to be our absolute favorite. So the one that we have used is called the Lacey external hard drive. It looks like this. We also have used the Seagate Ultra Touch SSD. So we love both of those and have found both of those to be equally successful.
And make sure that you are using an external hard drive when you're working in Lightroom, editing, all of that stuff. Because if you're not using it and you're saving everything to your desktop on your computer, you are going to run out of space very, very quickly. Now, as far as the memory cards we use for all of our cameras, we use the SanDisk memory cards, the Extreme Pro, and the main thing to look at when we're looking at buying a new memory card is where you see on this picture here where it says 170 megabytes per second. We are making sure it's about around there, 170 megabytes per second. The reason for that is because if you shoot with a lower number, you are going to potentially deal with some lag in your camera when you're trying to shoot quickly, and it's going to become frustrating very quickly.
And we typically stick around an SD card to around 64 or higher gigabyte. And then along with the memory cards comes our memory card holder, which we absolutely love because it keeps them all in one place and we always know when one maybe is missing.
Okay, so we both use different computers to edit on. So currently I am using a MacBook Pro 16-inch, 16 gigabyte. All of these are linked in the description below, so make sure to check that out.
And I use the Apple 27-inch iMac with Retina 5K display.
Now let's quick talk about the camera bodies we use. So we are currently both using the Nikon Z7.
Our two favorite lenses that we primarily shoot with are the 50mm 1.8 and the 85mm 1.8.
Okay, so that is the big equipment that we use, but we want to also touch base and talk about what we bring to sessions.
We like this type of camera strap that you see here. It goes around our wrist. We find it less clunky. So this is one of our favorites. We know everybody has a different preference.
We both use backpack carrying cases for our camera. We use the KAMRETTE brand and we absolutely love it.
We use something called an Expo disc, the largest one that you can find, and this helps with white balance.
Comment below and let us know which one of these things that we talked about you will be adding to your wish list. To every session, we also bring along reflectors to help bounce light onto our clients or to potentially block light as well.
We are always bringing a step stool along in case we have a taller client or just need to get up a little bit higher.
We absolutely love our pop-up changing tents, very reasonably priced, and we bring these along to all of our senior sessions so they can change outfits inside of there instead of inside of their car.
Oh, and we have to mention the fanny pack. The fanny pack is our favorite. We wear these to every session. It can keep our cell phone, our car keys, an extra lens, whatever, our Expo disc, whatever we need in there.
And another thing we like to bring along to sessions, especially the family sessions, is blankets or chairs, thinking of all those things depending on the ages that we're working with.
We also bring a mirror to our sessions so our clients can see what they look like after they've maybe made an outfit change.
One thing we bring that has been very helpful, especially in the summer months when frizzy hair can be crazy, we bring along a spray bottle so we can quickly spray the hair and pat down the frizzy areas. That will save us a lot of time in editing.
And if you're from anywhere around where we're from, we have to bring bug spray and sunscreen, especially in the summer months.
All right, so we hope that this video was very helpful for you. And now, like I said at the beginning of the video, we have something just for you. So what we have put together for you is a behind the scenes family session. So we have a full family session that you can watch us to see how we pose how we talk to our clients, all of those things. And you can check that out in the description below.
And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more just like this one.
And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at e2photography. And we will see you next time.